Example number 2. Vapor pressure of pure water is 23.8 millimeter of mercury at 298 Kelvin. 50 grams of urea is added to 850 grams of water. So clearly from this problem, children, solvent is water and solute is urea. Calculate the vapor pressure of solution and its relative lowering of vapor pressure. Let us solve this question. Example number 2. So here A is water, solvent. B is urea, solute. All of you know the formula of urea, NH2CO NH2. It is required to calculate the molar mass of solute. So given mass of solute is 50 grams urea. Solvent given mass is 850 grams. P0A is equal to 23.8 millimeter of mercury. Molar mass of water is 18 grams per mole. Molar mass of urea is equal to 60 grams per mole. Calculate the molar mass, you will come to know. Therefore, relative lowering of vapor pressure is equal to mole fraction of solute WB by MB into MA by WA. So that is equal to, what is here WB? WB is 50 grams. MA is 18 by MB, molar mass of urea is 60, weight of water is 850. If you simplify this, you will get 0.0176. This is your relative lowering of vapor pressure. So part 1 calculated. Next we need to calculate vapor pressure of the solution. Vapor pressure of the solution is, that is, we need to calculate what is the value of PA. So from the above formula, delta P is P0A minus PA by P0A is equal to mole fraction of solute, that is 0.0176. already we have calculated. So we know P0A, 23.8 minus PA we need to calculate, divided by P0A, once again 23.8 is equal to 0.0176. Cross multiply. 23.8 minus PA is equal to 0.0176 into 23.8, that is equal to 0.42. Therefore PA is equal to 23.8 minus 0.42, that's equal to 23.38 millimeter of mercury.